Tony Amato with Amato Roofing. We're up here on a project. There was another company out here trying to repair this leak. They put in a new liner in the gutter. That didn't do it. They come out, they sprayed some product down. That didn't do it. So we're coming up and we're gonna stop their leak for them. Everybody loves to spray material, but nobody wants to do the prep work. There's a whole lot of prep involved in these straps and these fastener heads on the bottom. A company well before them already come along and put material over the fastener heads. A lot of that material is, I just grab it with my fingers and peel it up, and they just coated right over top of it. The other thing with these straps is these weep holes, these water channels through here. Some places they just coated them, they coated them full, and you're not getting water come through. Where they do leave them open, you can get leaks in between the strap and the panel if this wasn't properly addressed. Also, in these low-lying areas, we're finding when we're grinding this off, in some of these low-lying areas, there's rust on the panels that they didn't address. They didn't do any kind of rust primer, nothing. A coating job, anything, is only as good as the installer. It could be the best product in the world, and if it's not properly prepped and properly installed, it's not going to solve your problems. So it really takes a quality installation without skipping any steps. So we're going to come in, grind everything off that they did. As we're grinding everything off, we're finding rust underneath that wasn't treated. These straps need pulled off, resealed, sealant put in the holes, reapply the strap, reapply sealant into the fasteners, and then we will start the full system. Then we'll top coat all the fasteners, we'll fiber seal down, and actually give them a full system that's going to solve their problem. A roof is only as good as the installation process. Keep following us. More videos, pointers. Check out Amato Roofing.